everyone, welcome to the course. My name is Nick Bergan and I will be your instructor in the course. When you log in to the course, you're going to see a left-hand tabs that you're going to focus on. First thing you're going to look at is the announcement tab, which I will be posting weekly announcements on what you're going to be focusing on each week for your efforts. You'll want to make sure that then you click on the Start Here tab. When you click on the Start Here tab, this will bring you to where we're focusing on the important information to start the course. People need to start with that first to really help with their efforts to take the census and also to understand what we're reviewing in the course. Those are going to be some key areas to focus on for our efforts to do well. You'll notice when we're in this course that we want to focus on a couple key things. One of the key things we're going to focus on is the syllabus. The syllabus will tell us a lot in terms of our ability to do well. You'll notice that the syllabus will be the guide to helping us understand what we're looking at for our ability to address certain things in the course that we want to focus on. I want to make sure that you're looking at some key things. One of the things I would look at is how to address what's required in the course. That's one of the key things to understand. So when we look at this, please focus on how we're evaluating certain things in the course. If you have any other questions or need any more clarification, please let me know as I look forward to your effort.